Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys already know, it's a makeup tutorial. So I have created this look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So yeah, let's get started.
First I'm concealing my eyelids. Then I'm taking this nude shade from the palette and setting my base. Then I'm gonna be taking this orangish red shade and putting it above my crease, just like that. And I'm taking another deep reddish shade and placing it same like that. Then I'm taking this brown shade to deepen my crease. Next I'm gonna cut the crease. Next I'm applying the Stake Workies illuminating highlighter. I'm using Maybelline's primer here. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 228 Soft Tan. I'm using Faces Canada's lipstick in the shade 02. And for the first time, here I go with my eyelashes.
I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. So stay safe. See you next time. Bye bye.